Introducing PREPRUFE Liquid Flashing. For quick and easy detailing when used with PREPRUFE waterproofing systems. Save time, labor, and reduce costs with this innovative detailing compound. PREPRUFE Liquid Flashing provides the same performance as traditional multi-layer application, but this timed comparison demonstration will show additional benefits that come with using PREPRUFE Liquid Flashing. PREPRUFE Liquid Flashing bonds to poured concrete and conforms to irregular profiles. This liquid compound is cold applied in one layer. It's waterproof and resistant to lateral water migration under pressure. PREPRUFE Liquid Flashing is chemically cured, and you can apply it in temperatures as low as 25 degrees Fahrenheit, and it complements our PREPRUFE waterproofing system, maintaining a unique fully bonded performance. The PREPRUFE Liquid Flashing application is complete, but the traditional multi-layer application is still in progress. Use PREPRUFE Liquid Flashing in these applications. Fillet material to seal around pipe or rebar penetrations, sealing materials at H-piles, columns, and terminations, and damage repair of PREPRUFE surface. And PREPRUFE Liquid Flashing completes the complex detailing more efficiently. With PREPRUFE Liquid Flashing, move to the next detail faster, with half the labor, while using only one material. To finish applications quickly and confidently, add PREPRUFE Liquid Flashing to your PREPRUFE system from GCP. Learn more at gcpat.com/preproof.